Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In today's gardening episode, we're going to talk about spring planting. When starting a spring garden, many beginner gardeners frequently ask about how to choose the right plants for their location, understanding soil conditions, how to use fertilizers, and how to deal with those pesky pest problems. In future episodes, we will cover all of these things. However, today we'll focus on planting for springtime. You may be wondering, what are some easy plants to grow in the spring? Some great choices, especially for beginners. Maybe start with different varieties of lettuces, radishes, strawberries, green beans, peas, tomatoes, zucchini, yellow squash, basil, and fun sunflowers. How much sunlight do plants need? Different plants have different sunlight needs. Research your plant's specific requirements and ensure that they are planted in a location that provides the appropriate amount of light, whether it be full sun or partial shade. Here are some tips to grow a successful spring garden. First, start small. Begin with a few plants to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Choose the right location. Ensure your plants get enough sunlight and have good drainage. Water properly. Water plants regularly, especially during dry spells. Consider your climate. Choose plants that are suitable for your local climate and hardiness zones. I'm in Maryland, Zone 7. Don't be afraid to experiment. Once you have a few successful plants, you can try new varieties and challenges. This concludes episode 1 of Let's Talk Gardening. If there are any topics that you would like for me to talk about, leave it below in the comments. Happy Easter and Resurrection Sunday to all of those who believe. I made several trips to the Dollar Tree store this year, and I decided to just have some fun with some of the items that I purchased this year for my spring garden. It was really fun decorating the garden with the stones and cute Easter egg picks. They stick right down into the soil. I placed those adorable jute carrot picks all over the garden. They are so cute. I really love outdoor decorative pieces. While I do enjoy growing fruits and vegetables in the garden, I also enjoy planting flowers. They bring so much life and visual interest into the garden. Have fun in your garden. Add garden art. Add beautiful, colorful containers and planters. Create unity and diversity in your garden. Edible herbs, vegetables, flowers, plants, bird baths, all of those things add both beauty and functionality in your space. To build a beautiful garden, consider your space and how you want to use the garden. It all starts with a plan. Get started today. Thanks for spending time with me. I hope this video helps someone. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.